how to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC. So assuming you're on your desktop, what you have to do is quite simple. You have to type in Need for Speed Most Wanted download for PC from uptodown.com as it is there. Then run the search on your PC. After that, open up this website on your PC, and this is how it looks like. So guys, point to note is that Need for Speed Most Wanted has 16.4 million downloads. So to download it, go ahead and then get the latest version. So you click that while on your PC. As you can see, the operating system over here is Windows. So this means this game runs on Windows, maybe Windows 10, maybe Windows 11, any Windows. And as you can see, the size is 544 MBs. Okay, so go ahead and then download it. By clicking down over here, the download will start, which is even free. Go ahead and click download and then start the download right away. That is it. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet